introduction, who brought Cricket World Cup to the homeland in 1992. From being a successful captain of international cricket team of Pakistan to be a Prime Minister of Pakistan, he has always been in the eyes of media. Even after such famous life, there are some facts that you might not know about Imran Khan. In this video, I'm gonna reveal 8 facts that you might not know about Imran Khan. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. Thank you. Number 1. A very long name. As we all know, his name Imran Khan, a simple 2-worded name, but his original name is 4-worded: Imran Ahmad Khan Niazi. Yeah, way too long. In year 2018, after becoming Prime Minister of Pakistan, he directed that instead of using his full name, his short name Imran Khan shall be used in official communication. Number 2. Unconfirmed birthday. PM Imran Khan don't have a confirmed birthday. On Wikipedia, his birthday is written as 5 October 1952, while on government records and on his CNIC card, his birthday is written as 25 November 1952. Number 3. Millionaire. Along with being a Prime Minister and as famous as a celebrity, Imran Khan is also a millionaire. Khan owns a 300-canal mansion in Banigala, Islamabad, worth $5.3 million. Khan has been an investor, investing more than $280,000 in various businesses. As of 2017, his net worth is $9.9 million. Number 4. Philanthropy. Khan is the second biggest philanthropist in Pakistan. During 1990s, Khan also served as UNICEF's special representative for sports and promoted health and immunization programs in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand. By 1991, he had founded the Shaukat Khan Memorial Trust, a charity organization bearing the name of his mother, Mrs. Shaukat Khan. As the trust's maiden endeavor, Khan established Pakistan's first and only cancer hospital, constructed using donations and funds exceeding $25 million raised by Khan from all over the world. On 27 April 2008, Khan established a technical college called Namal College. It was built by Miawali Development Trust and is an associate college of University of Bradford in December 2005. Number 5. An author. Khan is also one of the finest authors of Pakistan. He has written many books on different topics. Number 6. Third most influential leader. In year 2012, popular American news website Global Post ranked Khan third most influential leader, succeeding Hillary Clinton, preceding Barack Obama. Number 7. The Chancellor of Bradford. Khan has been the Chancellor of Bradford University from 2005 to 2014. One of his duties as a Chancellor was to lay a foundation stone for university's Institute of Cancer Therapeutics. Number 8. Person of the Year. Khan named Asia's Person of the Year in 2012 by a reader poll conducted by Asian Society. If you've liked the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Also join me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter. This is Fahad signing off. Take much care of yourself till my next video. Goodbye.